showed pulling into to New Mexico DOT inspection bay, and we didn't get inspected for a simple fact, still hauling Target, and she asked me if I was hauling hazmat. Kind of messed up, and I was like, no, but when I looked at the paperwork, I was looking at it, but it wasn't dawning on me. But anyways, it was only hazmat. You don't have to have hazmat endorsement if it's under 1,001 pounds. Anything over that, you need to have endorsement to haul, but it wasn't really anything. So she didn't even inspect me. She was gonna do a level 1, but she didn't. We left and got to our delivered it. We're in the Albuquerque terminal, but I don't know if you could tell, I'm not in my truck. I do have my microwave and my blanket. That's a new mattress that came with the truck. My truck is at the yard. I literally filled my truck up last night because I knew I was going to do this load. 145 gallons. I could have put a lot more in there, but I just let it stop where it was at when it stopped on its own. Well, got blown up this morning. My phone just kept ringing. Come to find out, my truck is on hold. The incident on that Atlanta load, the one that I took from Blythe to Atlanta, at the end of that video, I told you guys the student had an incident. It was vlog 383 at the end, basically saying had an incident and so on and so forth. So yeah. Well, just because of that incident, 10 days later, any of the vehicles that were involved, they want parked. They need parked. Which my truck was involved. So basically, this lady's gonna is trying to sue Swift, so my truck's parked. I can't do anything. Right now I'm in a loaner. I'm in a 22 Kenworth. And of course, it's not that great. It's hard for me to explain. I just don't really care for the newer trucks. Like, there's really, everything's the same, except this one doesn't have a table because it's a company truck. Doesn't have a table. The inverter's down there. Of course, everything's damn near the same. But they don't have the air dump. But other than that, they got everything else. This is for automatic start and stop, which I don't care for. And of course, you got your dash. And I took a video of this, and yeah, it's whatever. So yeah. I don't know how long my truck is gonna be on hold, how long it's gonna sit there. I didn't really bring a lot of stuff because I knew I was coming back. This morning was just a cluster. And I just grabbed my blanket, shower bag with clothes. I didn't even bring my damn towel now that I think of it. But yeah. I brought a microwave with 2 bags of noodles in case I wanted to eat something tonight. So yeah, other than that, I don't know what. This is my first time this happening to me. So yeah. When my student rolled my truck, which I didn't even post that or say anything about it. About 2 years ago, a student rode my truck. That's why I was in a black truck, and then I jumped into a loaner, and my shoulder was messed up to where I couldn't raise my arm. Yeah, that was because a student totaled my truck. And the only reason why I didn't have to deal with this over that, because the truck was totaled, or they claimed it as total. So yeah. But with that being said, I'm just gonna lay down. Had a headache all day. Not really a headache all day. Just frustrating. Because you get no answers. Honestly, you don't really get answers. Doesn't matter if you're a lease operator, company driver. They say do this, it's like you have to do it. But no one could respond and answer any questions. Anything. All they know is park it. Don't leave the yard with it. Because I was about to. I was literally like, nah, fuck you guys. I'm leaving the yard with my truck. But sitting at the yard, and for a company truck, it could sit there for months, years. But I don't know how they do it with a lease truck. So it was just under a half a tank when I got in it, and then I put 20 gallons in it because it was about to hit the red. So I put 20 gallons in it and Gallup, and that's where we're at right now. Probably get into Arizona and stop and put another 20 to 30 gallons in, because the money that I put into my truck for fuel, I'm being charged that on top of the fuel that I'm putting in this truck. So I'm getting a double whammy for this one load. So yeah, it's just been one of them days. Good thing is I didn't have to put death in. So yeah, it's 100 outside. Actually, it's like 94 degrees outside. It says right there 94 degrees, but it's 100. So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the morning if I record. It's just driving back to Phoenix, and that's it. And then when we get to Phoenix, just park it for the night, for the tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we got Target load that picks up on Sunday, and it goes to Salt Lake City. So I'm happy about that. I will be writing recaps. I only got 23 hours and 46 minutes and on my 70, and load delivers on Monday by 6 p.m., which is fine. It's not a big deal. One thing about Target is they do get their loads done by midnight, 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock at night to 1 o'clock in the morning. And it's kind of cool too, because when you pick up from the DC, you have to fill one of these sheets out. It's a trailer inspection sheet. And then when you drop that trailer off at a Target and you pick up another one, you gotta do another one of these. I guess that's kind of cool because they're keeping track on damages of the trailer. So, I don't know. But I'll get with you guys tomorrow. D24? All right, thank you.
When possible, make a U-turn.
So we're done for the day. Got down here within my 8 hours, and it's 120, 119. But I'm gonna go ahead and run to Walmart real quick. I need to fill up on water and some sodas. Talked to my student, told him to meet me tomorrow morning about 9:30, 10 o'clock. And we go from there. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I know there wasn't that much for this video, but